Good morning, students. How are you all? Welcome to your robotics class. Today we learn how to make circuit diagrams with the use of Tinkercad and how to use the Tinkercad. Good morning, everyone. So here is the open website of Tinkercad, Autodesk Tinkercad. You should try on the Tinkercad robotics circuit what I have teach to you in your class. Okay. So today we learn how to make a water level indicator. First, you see the machine when your water tank is full. The machine will automatically say, "Water tank is full. Please switch off the motor." Okay. So today we discuss and create how to make water level indicator in robotics using Tinkercad. Okay. First, just open the site of Tinkercad, go to create and then circuits. Open. Good. Now just change the name of here and write the name of water level indicator, right? Okay. Just follow my instructions and please listen carefully. First, we take small breadboard. Just click on the left mouse button and just drag and drop the breadboard on the middle of the site like this. Fine? Very good. Now go on search bar and type timer 555. Yeah, timer. Okay. So we place the timer on the middle of the breadboard. You have see your breadboard. Breadboard have two parts. Okay. First is ABCDE and second is FGHIJ. Okay. Between these two middle parts, we fix the timer like this. Fine. Okay. Next. So first we learn how to connect the timer pins accordingly. So you connect these with the help of the wire. You choose the wires from here. You choose any color of the wire. There is no differentiate whatever wherever you choose the black, wherever you choose pink, whatever you want. Okay, just choose it. First, I choose orange, like anything. Okay. So first, here is timer. There is ground. This is trigger. This is out. This is reset. Number one pin. Number two. Number three. Number four. This is control voltage. This is threshold. This is discharge. And this is power. Number five. Number six. Number seven. Number eight. Students, what to do? They mark oppositely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, it's wrong. Okay. Opposite of the fourth pin, this is fifth. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So we connect the two pins each other. Okay. So connect the number 2 pin to number 6 pin. What is number 2? This is the number 2 and connect with number 6. Right? Here we go. Okay. Next, connect number 4th pin to number 8. My color, I just changed the color so you easily differentiate between them. Okay. So number 4 to number 8. Fine. Very good. Okay. So everyone, you see the LED. Okay. LED have two sides. So we take capacitors. Yeah, these are polarized capacitor. Same as LED, capacitor has also two sides, positive and negative, anode and cathode. So click on the capacitor and just fix it. Shit. Okay, okay, now guys, okay. So fix it at this side. Okay, this is the polarized capacitor. And just take the buzzer. This is the buzzer. In robotics class, where we just use the small buzzer. Okay, this is the big buzzer. Okay, buzzer have also two types, small one and bigger one. This is the bigger one. Okay, piezo buzzer this is. Okay, so click on the buzzer and fix it. Fine. Okay, good. So now connect the positive terminal of capacitor to number 1 pin of IC 555. I repeat what I say. Connect positive terminal to 555 IC. We change the color so you have no confusion. Positive terminal to number 1 pin of 555 IC. Fine. Negative terminal to second pin of IC. This is the negative here and connect with second pin of IC. Correct? Very good. Okay, now just connect the buzzer one by one. One by one, we connect all the components to IC 555 because in a water level indicator, IC 555 is the foundation of the circuit, is the base of the circuit. Okay, so all the connection will indirectly connect with IC 555. So listen carefully and watch the video. Okay, so take one more wire. Connect buzzer negative terminal to negative point. Fine. And connect positive terminal of wire to IC third pin. Okay. Third pin which is called out. Nice. Because what the buzzer perform when our water tank is full. When the water tank is full, buzzer will buzzing. Okay, buzzer will sound up. Fine, that's why it's connect with outer pin of the IC 555. Fine. Okay, now take the resistor. So we change the value of resistor from here. First we should use 100 kilo ohm resistor, and the resistor color code is brown, black, yellow, golden. Okay, change the resistor position, arrange it and fix it. Where fix it? IC 555 pin number 6. Pin number 6. Connect 100 kilo ohm resistor to IC 555 pin number 6. You see the same row. Okay. These are the same row. Sixth row. Okay. Sixth row of IC 555. Sixth pin of IC 555. Okay. Now take one more resistor. You don't change the resistor value because we should use the 1 kilo ohm resistor. Here it's already 1 kilo ohm resistor we take. Okay, arrange it and now fix it. Fine. So first we connect the resistor with IC 555. Just look at the wires. Okay, just look at the wires. How can I connect it? Just go to the pin number 7 of IC 555. and connect. Fine. Just change the wire because of no confusion. Go to the pin number 7 of the IC 555 to end of the resistor, to end of the first resistor. Right? Okay. Now take the wire, different wire, yes, of course, and connect pin number 8 to positive terminal. Fine. And here you connect pin number 1 to negative terminal. Fine. Okay. Now just connect the capacitors each other to to charge panel. Okay. Now connect the power lines with each other, negative to negative, positive to positive. Here we go. Fine. You understood? Very good. So already connections are done. Now one thing more. Take another resistor. Same value, 1 kilo ohm. We cannot change the value here. Okay. We use 1 kilo ohm resistor. So what we do from the resistor? Take a wire. Okay. And connect with positive terminal to number 1 terminal pin. It's number 2, sorry. Just undo. First, we fix the position of the resistor. How to fix the position of resistor? This golden color just is the number 2 terminal and brown is the number 1. Okay, so just take wire, connect with positive to terminal 1. Yes, that's the terminal 1, right? Okay, nice. And then connect this terminal 2 to this terminal 2. Okay, now our circuit is complete. So when the project is complete ready, we take battery, 9-volt battery. Fine. Here resistor was 2. We need extra resistor because in software we have no water, right? So we need any physical body to check our circuit it's working or not. Okay. So we take the extra resistor and connect with connections or resistor. Okay. So start simulation. This sounds, okay? This sounds. This is the voice. See, you see the radiations of the buzzer. It means it's working. It's properly working. Fine. Now stop simulation. So I hope students you understand. If you have any queries, please ask me in the class. Okay? Thank you.